Hey guys, we're going on a hike today. There's this area there's this farm here called Finca El Pilar, and they have like natural pools. I never go because it's natural water, so it's freezing. It's just not my thing. They also have like a wooded area and like this big hiking area that my friend, who also is a mom, has been wanting to go on with me. Is that real coughs? That's what I thought. But we just haven't found time. So I'm going today. My friend Oscar, who hiked up with me to Earth Lodge, I made a video about that. He's gonna meet me there. But we're meeting at my friend's little breakfast joint called Mama Jojo's for breakfast. And then we're gonna do a little bit of hiking, and I packed our bathing suits because maybe we'll go to El Pilar after. The weather's been kind of shit because I don't know, apparently they have a cold snap in the States and it's like affecting everybody. Just like everything that happens in the States just like affects everybody, especially all the bad stuff. Soon we're going to Nicaragua and I want to be hiking with her every single day in the heat with my new hat. It's actually an American Army hat, I think, like a real one. It doesn't have a tag inside, just like it says like "Hoorah" or something. Kidding. Luna? You excited? You excited to go hiking with Mama? I sat down by the ocean. Is that tears that I feel? Okay, we're here at Mama Jojo's. It's actually the same place where they had the Santa travel menu. And we're going in to get some breakfast and meet my friend Oscar. It's gonna be awesome. What they mean?
What? Big zero?
I know it means the big zero, but it's used like, it's used a lot, like, hey, sorote this, sorote that, like, you know, does it mean jerk or dude or shit or screw you or what?
It has different meanings because, I mean, with friends, where there's trust, it's like, hey man, like, hey,
right.
Cerote, but sometimes it's used as an insult too. Like this
hey, cerote. I hear that from people in cars all the time. Traffic. Yeah, traffic cerotes.
And also it's like basically like a turd. So it has like 3 different meanings. Yeah.
So, but where did it come from? Tell the story.
Oh yeah, well in the colonial times, I think that it was I don't know, this penitentes going out at night, a lot of priests.
Which are like big candles and priests in groups.
Yeah, with the veladoras and this. The candles were like melting out and leaving out these big pieces of wax, right, of candle wax. The next day, it looked all around the streets like cow dung, but it was like called a big one. It was called a cerote because it came from the cera.
Ah.
So that's
where it came
the
from.
Origin, and it's basically
so it's like
a word.
It's like a dump of religious wax.
Yeah, basically.
So when you call someone that, you're like, you leftovers of religious wax.
It has a religious origin, yeah. Yeah, and cerote is a word. It's a word equally Guatemalan, from El Salvador, and from Nicaragua.
Right. Oh, they use it there too.
Yeah, it's a word from the 3 countries. It's not like one country copied the other. No, it's a regional word. Yeah.
Ah, cool.
Yeah.
You never know. I've been dying to learn the origins of some of the Chapin slang here. And I finally got my little one. I finally learned one word, cerote. Just stopping for some water and Snickers bars. Here we are. And it turns out it's 50Q to do a hike here. And we thought it was going to be maybe 5 or free for what we want to do. But obviously, tourists have made it expensive. I know you want the best for me. You're
your intentions are good.
I could feel the cold coming off this water. How cold is it, Oscar?
Not so cold. A little chilly.
Spoken like a true Canadian.
Oh no.
Yeah, oh no, Luna, it's gonna be cold and we are too Jamaican for that.
To what?
Oh no. Oh no.
If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
I'm not even sure what's going on, but there's a tarp. Okay, Oscar, where are we?
Caoba Farms.
It's his first time.
First time ever.
Now that we went to the pool, we just want to keep walking forever. Luna's passed out.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back.
Want this tortilla? It's a little hot. Hi! Hi! Hi!